Yo, what up, guys? Today I got my homeboy here, Brian. We were gonna work on his G35. I think we're swapping out his your old steering wheel, or no, your new steering wheel. I guess we're just swapping it back to stock. So that's what we're gonna do. So check it out. All right. So first thing we gotta do, bro, is just pop this hood.
Yeah. Oh, the battery's over here, bro.
Yeah. Get some, what is that? 10? Is that what it is? 10,
Yeah,
12?
10.
10, 12?
Are you just gonna pull the back one?
Yeah. Yeah. Is it already loose?
Yeah, this one's loose, bro.
Oh, snap.
Oh, wait, no, never mind. I tightened it up, I guess.
Yeah, let's see.
Those coming loose all the time.
I know it's on this side, shit.
I got a damn piece of wood in there, shit.
What?
Yeah, the guy, he lost my bracket and he put that fucking wood.
Damn, bro. That's how you go right there. That's ingenuity. Alright, so before we start that's not, okay. I would say before we remove the steering wheel, we need to take this shit off so we don't blow our stuff up. We put the airbags in.
Yeah.
So.
Man, I never got to change that damn terminal. Or that's what they call it, right?
Huh?
The terminals?
Yeah, yeah, it's
I
alright.
changed the other one, but never changed that one.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, it was nasty. Going back to stock, we're gonna take this off. Oh snap, you got the same one I got. NRG.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here you go. And then take these off. And that's it.
Oh, is that easy?
Well, gotta put all that stuff in.
Oh, damn.
Not quite, but. Alright, so we gotta remove all 6 of these bolts, and then we're gonna move this hub off and we can put his old stock one back on. Alright, so that's this part. You want to keep all this though. So let's see. Alright, so we gotta find one that fits this nut to pull this hub off. Money. 19. 17. Let's put this thing low, bro. This shit's torquey. I'm just kidding. It's tight in there though. Hopefully there's nothing that holds it in, no bolts or nothing else. It's just a tight fit, I'm guessing. Polar on this. Pause the video. So, no, I need the steering wheel first. Just put an old one back. Keep all this shit in. It's just a 19 mil that was holding everything in.
Yeah.
It was dope though, is you get your factory volume and stuff. Oh, never mind, you got aftermarket.
Yeah, I got the aftermarket, so yeah.
Someone ghetto rigged this. Who did this? This one was for the horn, which you won't need.
Alright.
I mean, I say you won't need because it's already got the old stuff. This is for like the aftermarket.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So.
Right.
There you go.
So it doesn't connect nothing to that?
No, because it's just an aftermarket adapter.
Uh-huh.
Allows it for
okay.
the
And you connect that one?
yeah, for the old horn. So this is
Alright,
the new,
alright.
the old stuff. That's it, man. We just gotta get everything else plugged in. Take all these adapters off too. All right, so we're gonna put this 19 nut back in. Just lock it in place. Should be plenty. Bet. All right, and then yeah, bro, let me get those bolts and the airbag, and we'll be set. Yep. Hell yeah, dude. Yes, sir.
That fucking hoe.
Fuck, this thing is fat. Anybody want to buy a G35 for sale? That's it, bro. And then tighten these up. You have the caps, bro?
No, I don't have the caps, bro.
That's all good.
I feel weird driving this car in general.
Right? This thing's just been sitting, huh?
It's been sitting, yeah.
That's it, bro. Done.
Yeah.
30 minutes or less. Just gotta hook everything back up. Hopefully the bags don't blow up.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, shit.
No, I doubt. It's a low chance. I doubt it's gonna happen. But
Why would the bag blow up?
electrical,
Oh.
something, surge. I don't know. It's
Yeah,
happened. It's happened to people before.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
And I hope I'm not driving down the fucking...
No, it's just right here. This is the test right here.
Kadoosh!
Shit.
Broken windshield.
Yeah.
That sucked.
Oh, hell no.
I was like, shit, I don't want to be driving and the fucking airbag just go randomly off.
No. That's probably, I'd start the car with you not in it.
No, it didn't. There we go.
So start the car from the back here so it doesn't blow up on her face. Good.
I saw them windshield wipers go, I was like, shit.
And that was a quick video on installing the stock steering wheel to a G35. You do that in reverse if you want to put on aftermarket steering wheels and hubs and etc. So that's it, guys. Take it easy, man.